This is the start of something super. MAPEI's Keraflex Super features game-changing large and heavy tile mortar technology that produces all of the strength of a standard cement-based mortar without all of the installer fatigue associated with these traditional mortars. Containing fine aggregates, this easy-to-mix mortar features MAPEI's Easy Glide technology. Easy Glide technology means that Keraflex Super has extra smooth blending characteristics and is easy to spread. This means that large and heavy tile installations are finished faster than those using regular cement-based mortars. It also drastically reduces the trowel fatigue associated with spreading standard thick mortars. Keraflex Super's high transfer technology means that it has characteristics far superior to regular cement-based mortars. Polymer-enriched Keraflex Super mortar provides an outstanding transfer of mortar to tile backs and to the substrate. These superior wet-out characteristics ensure an even bond between the tile and the substrate. Keraflex Super will hold large and heavy tiles in place easily, creating non-slump floors and non-sag walls. With an open time of up to 50 minutes, Keraflex Super installations are not only fatigue-free, they are stress-free too. Easy to mix, spread, and place, yet with all of the strength of standard cement-based mortar, Keraflex Super eliminates such tile placement issues as sagging and slumping. It is also the perfect partner for use with edge-leveling clip systems. For fatigue-free, time-saving, and money-saving installations, be sure to ask about MAPEI's Keraflex Super.